Hey, what's up everybody? It's your dude, Black Hat here. We're out at Holly LS Fest West in Las Vegas.
Today's a great day, beautiful weather, tons of badass cars, high horsepower, let's get it. What is up guys? We are starting Holly LS Fest 2022. We are out here at the Las Vegas Speedway. The boys are ready to go. They did their little practice sesh. Let's see how that went. So the boys did their practice sesh. Apparently there's some jumps they had to fix for the guys. I know Brad was saying there was a couple of jumps that he actually like cased it a little bit. Kind of scary. Some of these look pretty big. From what I've heard, the guys are actually pretty stoked with the setup. And dude, this is the biggest turnout we've ever had. So this is awesome, man. Big shout out to Holly for having us here again. This is our 5th year here. And damn dude, let's go, man. Let's get this party started. Nick's hometown.
Yeah.
Nicky Vegas. You ready, bro?
Yeah, dude, I'm ready. Turn it on for the hometown.
This is Nick looks forward to this event.
Every year.
So.
Every year, this is my favorite event.
Hey, are you in the zone right now?
Getting there. I just had to do a media brief and like tell all these fools what's up. Just kidding. Stupid.
Don't die.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing. Just please don't die. Just be safe. Use your instincts. You know, it's all the same. But yeah,
that's a Black Hat tip for shooting off road.
Yeah.
Don't die.
Don't die.
And be ready to run.
Don't die. Have an escape route. Have an escape plan.
Don't be on the outside of turns.
Don't be on the outside of turns. Well, you can be, but you need to be off. You use your long lens and be off the course, so that way, if something does happen, you have time to react.
I was telling everybody how this is like the biggest group we've ever had.
Oh yeah, we invited 22 trucks out here this year.
I'm scared,
I don't think all 22 showed up, but dude, there's at least 15 trucks here.
We usually maybe have like 8 at a time, yeah. But to have that many is like,
yeah.
Woo!
We might limit them. Maybe we'll just do, maybe we might just do the first 8, let them go, or first half, let them go, second half, let them go, and we'll figure it out.
We shall see. How's the track this year, dude?
Fun, dude.
How does it feel?
They got 2 over-unders. It feels fun, man. This new Texas Speed 427, she likes it.
Nice,
I like it. Wait till you see us wheelie through them whoop-de-doos right there, bro. We like, blah, 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 blah. Like,
that's what I'm talking about, dude. 2-stroke style. What up, Kev?
What's up, James?
How are you, big dog?
Good.
How's it going, man?
Going good.
Dude, are you ready to finally drive on a Holly LS Fest track?
Yeah, dude.
Dude, 5 years. I don't know how many of these you've come to. Probably almost all of them, huh? A good handful, right?
Yeah, I've been to a couple.
And now you are driving the freaking
TT, buddy.
The TT, dude.
Damn right.
Well, God bless, man. You know, have fun, and I can't wait to see this thing in action, big dog.
Thank you.
All right, man. Are you riding solo?
I think so.
Dang, dude, I gotta get a helmet.
Get a race deal on it.
We'll see. Christopher.
Hey, bud.
Hi, buddy.
How are you?
Can I give some nuts?
Absolutely.
You're number 5 here. Isn't that crazy?
Wild.
Time flies when you're having fun, but also when you don't do anything else but this crap.
This is it.
It just keeps you busy.
This is it.
Hell yeah. All right, dude. Be safe, man. Nicholas, you look so handsome. Can I just say that?
Hey, thanks.
Look at this handsome man right here.
Thanks.
Such a like a California punk rock kid, dude.
That's me, dude.
Look at you, man. Hey, man. How many times have you had T2 on this?
This is my 2nd year in this truck.
2nd year.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
How does the track feel this year?
It's fun. It's like just enough to have fun, but mellow enough to be safe. So,
Is there anything that's a little sketchy?
yeah,
Everything?
big desert truck doesn't like one of the big jumps out there, so you really gotta get in with it to make it over.
Got it. All right, cool. Good luck, Nick. God bless you, man. How are you feeling?
I gotta pee like a level 6 out of 10 right now. I'm ready to go drive my truck to Chuckles. Can you close that door?
I don't know what you said. Brad,
What's up, buddy?
is it true you're an official Holly guy now?
Dude, we're checking out the new system.
What the heck?
I really don't know what all those gauges say, but well, it works all right.
So what's the plan, dude?
Well, they made the lip bigger on the second jump, so I'm pretty happy about that.
You're not scared of the big jumps. You're just like, this is a desert truck.
Yeah.
This is made to go straight, fast,
Exactly.
big.
Exactly. So the short run-ups, I don't have enough power for the short run-ups. So since he made that lip bigger, I'm a little bit more confident. So
Okay.
we're just gonna
Hell yeah. All right, man.
we're gonna send it.
I love you guys. You guys are the best. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Give it knuckles.
Yeah, let's see it. They're engaged.
I'm not wearing it.
She's not wearing it. Smart girl.
I didn't want it to fly off over the
I'm gonna
jump.
have them do like a heart emoji thing or something. Alright guys, be safe. Have fun. What's up guys? How does it feel to be here?
No way to describe it, dude.
Yeah.
I'm so stoked.
It's good to have you back here, big dog.
Thank you, brother.
Seriously, man. It's been a while since we've had your truck here, and it's awesome to just see it here right now. I was super stoked to see it, man. So
Thanks, brother.
super stoked to have you, man. Can't
Hey,
wait to
thanks
get
for the invite, brother. I can't wait to hang out later, too.
Dude, of course. Kenny's the man. He built this thing so fast. This is such an amazing truck. Can't wait to get some heaters to this thing, guys. We'll check it out. Yo, can I just sit in here for a second? I'm just gonna sit in here for a second. We're with Adrian. Adrian has been spending some time making this thing look beautiful.
Little
Dude, this thing looks great, dude.
Thank you.
Can we just sneak peek? We're gonna do a build to destroy on this thing very soon. Is it finally ready?
Almost.
Almost. Okay, a little more. Little more. But yeah, man. All right, how do you feel about the event so far? I know we got a lot of new drivers. Good stuff.
Slippery, but they wet it down and we'll see how it goes.
So track was slippery from what I've heard, right? Yeah. But hopefully them wetting it dialed it in. But all right, man. Hey, I'll let you go do your thing, man. Be safe, big dog. What's up, Eric? I miss you, man. We're here. No, we gotta hold hands, bro. I miss you, man. Good to see you. How are you guys feeling so far?
Great.
You guys feel good? So you stopped up in Barstow on the way up.
Yes, had a great time.
How was that?
It was really good. Finally got to see my son drive a pre-runner. It was really
Heck yeah. So Eric and his boy just picked up a new truck and it's his first time driving it. So they stopped by Barstow, which is pretty cool. So proud dad moment, proud accomplishment from everybody in the off-road community. I think we were all stoked for you, man. You guys will definitely be seeing Eric's boy learn how to drive that thing in the future. Maybe we'll catch up with him and maybe give him some pointers from some of the big dogs, right? Some training exercises. Look at this guy, he knows what he's talking about. Hell yeah. Well, all right, guys. Eric, we love you, man. Good to see you, big dog. Hell yeah, man. All right, man. See you later, bro. What's up, guys? So the sun has set. Boys are still going at it right now. Unfortunately, Eric had a mishap. We'll get the interview with him in a little bit. But glad to see he's okay and the truck started up. So hopefully we'll check that thing out, make sure it's good, and maybe he might have a truggy tomorrow. So we'll see what's up. Let's see what these boys got for the rest of the night.
Oh my God.
What?
Manny's here.
Guys,
How do you feel that I'm here finally?
do you guys understand how much I love this man? This is my boy Manny.
I ghost everyone for like a year, then I show up once in a while.
And you know
gotta
what? You
force
show
him
up
to-
when you're most needed, so you're a hero. We got you, big dog.
I'm here, dude.
We're trying to get Manny to build another truck. We're gonna get this guy. What'd you guys think so far?
It was good. That was good.
Dusty.
I really like the under the light stuff because it gives you like a different perspective and it lets me play around with like shutter speed and stuff. So
Yeah.
I got some really cool stuff. Like I'm pretty stoked on what we just got.
Did you grab her now?
Picture wise.
So dusty.
So dusty.
Look at Garrett's
It's much
eyes.
better on the other side of the track.
I know, dude. I see it. No, even when you pulled up, I'm like, is this fool still on,
Dust and
on
tired.
420?
420 was
Right.
a couple days ago.
They did actually water it a lot, but
It's soaking it up.
it's just it's so dang dry. Yeah, exactly. It's soaking it right up. So
the Vegas dirt out here is very clayey.
Clayey?
Yeah.
Clayey. Is that
Yeah,
a word?
it
that's a
clumps up.
geologist term.
Is that a word?
Clay.
Clay.
It's got a lot of clay in it. So yeah, it soaks it up and then it just turns into big rocks that they fling off the track and they just dig right through.
Dude, that Ultra 4. That's an Ultra 4. What is that?
It's Ultra 4. Twin turbo LS.
Dude, that thing
It's
is
1100
bad.
horsepower.
beast.
He like
even
barely blips on
struggling?
the throttle and just
Yeah, he's just chilling
It doesn't even
out.
look like it's struggling the whole time.
no.
He's like,
That's
you
the
guys are
best part.
cowards, all of you. That's what he's saying. It's almost like this track is made for these kinds of trucks, like those. I think like the desert trucks, not so much. I think like you see some guys taking the turns pretty wide.
Too hot.
Eric, sorry.
What happened?
I watched
Did you
it.
guys see it?
I literally just stared at him and he just kind of like, when Nick
came-
went over, just bloop.
He came in
And
too
just-
hot out of the big jump. Came in too hot out of the big jump, and then he came out,
yeah.
came back onto the course, overcorrected, and it just rolled over.
He told me he came out and then
I like all these interpretations. This is
got
great.
into the inside of the turn and then caught like a rut. Was like
Whoopah?
caught a rut. Yeah, and then whoopah
He
on
smacked
the lid.
the run,
Smack the lip, whoop, jog down, snap,
and all these demons coming out of the ground was like,
Damn it. Let's go check in with the guys. Let's eat. Well, guys, that was night one.
Eventful.
And
This way?
man, this feels epic as hell right now. I feel like Eagle should come out.